So since 2020, I've been working on so many people's CVs for free, and I've edited maybe over 100 and something CVs for many people, and there are a lot of mistakes that I've seen. There's a lot of information that does not flow, and it is one of the reasons why many of you are not getting invited to job interviews. So I decided to create 3 options for you. A CV template with experience that you can just download on a small fee and start working on it. I also have a CV with experience that you can just download with a small fee and start working on it. And I also have a bundle option that you can use. You download both the no experience and the experience CV and start working on it. So to make life easy for you, I also have instructions on the CVs. I take you through each and every section, what to put and how to put it. So believe you me, once you go through this simple CV template and start applying for jobs, you are going to come back here and comment on how you started getting interviews left, right, and center. I have other videos here on the channel on CV mistakes to avoid. Please go check it out. I also have step-by-step. If you don't wanna, buy the CV templates, it's fine. You can still just watch other videos on the channel on how to write a CV step-by-step. But because I love you all, I decided that I'm gonna make life easy for you because many people don't have time. Many people always ask a template. Where can I download? Where can I download? But you know how it is. We have to gain skills to make money. So I've gained a skill on how to help you write a CV that's going to make you noticeable by an employer or recruiter. And I decided to take a lot of time to put it all together for you with instructions so that you do not struggle. And you can just download it from there, and then it's very easy. Just click the link and then it will take you through how to buy the templates. And also if you need further assistance, you can DM me on Instagram. I will leave the link here as well in the description box. If you need cover letter as well, please let me know so that I can include that in the packages so that we help you get those jobs. It's all about getting jobs. We cannot all be business people. Some of us need to be employees. Some of us are going to be business people. Some of us are going to do both. You're going to be working and having a side hustle. Unfortunately, it's just how life it is. And we need people that can help you to secure our places in the job market. So it all started with a CV, and I've got perfect templates for you that I know for sure that if you follow all the instruction and write the CV, avoid the grammatical mistakes, avoid formatting mistakes. If you use the CV that I have for you, I know for sure that you're gonna be called left, right, and center for interviews. And I also have videos on how to prepare for interviews. You should check that out. Thank you for watching, and please comment in the link in the description if you need any assistance, if you need any help, or you have any suggestions on how I can best help you in your career. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.